Magic Formula to Manifest Anything mini-series. This is going to be a 6-part video series. You're going to want to watch them all. They're going to be a little bit shorter and right to the point. And I seriously want you to manifest something really great into your life during the 6-part series. It could be a chunk of money. It could be having something come into your life like a cup of coffee, free parking space, those easy things that you hear about in manifesting. It could be even like a spiritual gift. It could be some good news in your life. It could be you're manifesting a quality or a characteristic for yourself, like feeling more confident, or emotions, feeling happier, more fulfilled. Whatever it is, I want you to manifest exactly what you want and choose one thing, just one thing, during this 6-part series, okay? Each of these videos are going to be posted every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so they'll be available to you. All right, let's start with the first principle here in video number 1 of this mini series here, okay? It's knowing yourself. Before we can manifest what you want, we're not even going to choose what that is until the second series of videos here. The first one here is knowing about who you are. You want to understand that you are a soul before coming into this body and after. So when you're born and after you pass away, okay, you are still whole. You are that soul. You are that spiritual expansion, spiritual being that was born into this physical body, okay? We want to understand that you're an extension of something a lot bigger than the physical you see around you, around me. We're much bigger than the environment that we find ourselves in, okay? And that means we're an energetic side. We're an energetic being living this physical body, okay? What that means also is that you have the ability to manifest. Even if you're an advanced student of law of attraction and different things, this principle is number 1. Because you want to align more and more with the idea that you are an energetic being, you live in an energetic universe, and it's the power of your imagination that brings images from the invisible to the visible through a series of natural progressing steps, okay? So that's who you are. You are a whole being right now, and you have the ability to manifest. And how you do that, again, is by entertaining certain mental images. And what that's really doing is the universe is like a plastic substance, okay? And when you start to impress it with an image, it molds that substance of what it is into the image that you're picturing in your imagination, okay? So you want to become a great imaginary person. You want to become a great visualizer. And as you do that, you're going to start to become familiar with that image. We're going to talk about this in the next couple of videos here. But number 1 video here, I want you to really realize who you are, or else you're never really going to manifest what you want, because you're going to have the idea that it's just trying to get something from, a thought into this physical, and it's impossible. It's ridiculous, right? So know who you are. First exercise to do in this video is to say out loud, I'm an energetic being living in an energetic universe. You want to say this out loud all throughout today 100 times. Sounds like a lot. It's not a lot. It'll take you about 4 or 5 minutes. It's really simple, okay? I'm an energetic being living this energetic universe. I'm an energetic being living this energetic universe. And you can add to it as well, I'm an energetic being living in this energetic universe with the power to manifest using my mind, or even the power to manifest using my mind, which creates mental images in forms of plastic substance of the universe into the things I desire, and eventually and progressively comes into physical space, okay? So that's your exercise for series video number 1 here. Know yourself. As you align with more of that side of you, you're going to have a lot more faith, you're going to have a lot more belief, you're going to have a lot more confidence in your ability to bring in the thing that you're going to want to bring in during the next 6 videos here, okay? So try it out today. Say the affirmation out loud 100 times, okay? And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when the other videos are out, okay, as well. It's going to be very important. You want to do all 6 of them, okay? I'm going to see you here in video number 2 real soon.